Extreme hail. Over 1,000 dents. Most shops would turn it away. Hail damage intimidates most. But at DentOut, this is what we live for. When hail damage destroys your car, DentOut restores. Our skilled techs use the most advanced paintless dent repair methods to restore your factory finish. And when it is all said and done, it looks like it never even happened. Subscribe to see the after result of this impressive repair. Call DentOut at 956-342-5887 or visit our website at dentoutpaintlessdentrepair.com.